Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MySQL community server on your Linux machine. So for this installation you can follow my website orakldba.com. For documents purpose you can follow this website and I will give this link also in description box. Okay. So for this installation, the first step is download and add MySQL YAM repository to Linux repository by this RPM packages. Okay, so you need to run this RPM package as root user. Completed. So secondly, install download package by this RPM package. Okay. You need to press Y. Okay, this stage completed, and now the third stage you need to check, verify your YAM repository has been added successfully or not. Okay, you can check by this command. This command will show you MySQL community server is added. Okay, then install latest MySQL 8.0 MySQL community server by this command. You need to press Y. This will take some time. It will depends on your internet speed. Guys, you can visit my website orakldba.com for many activities like Oracle, MySQL, Linux. You can find all documents from this website. After this installation completed, you need to start MySQL service. Installation in progress. you need to press Y. Now MySQL community server is installed completely successfully. Okay, so we need to start MySQL service by this command. We need to check MySQL service status by this command. It will show you active and running. Okay, next, after installation, MySQL server it generate temporary password in this file var log mysql d log. So you need to check this temporary password by this command. This is the temporary password. Okay, after that you need to change root password by this command and also reset the password for root user. Enter this password, temporary password, copy, paste, enter. You need to provide new password which you want. Change the password for root, yes. Root password, enter the root password. You need to press yes. You need to press yes. You need to press yes. Just press enter. Enter. All this process will be done. After this, you need to check MySQL service status by this command. MySQL service is active and running. Okay, after this you need to connect MySQL service server by this command. After you need to enter your root password. Okay, fine. Your MySQL server is completely installed. You can show databases by this command. Okay, so your MySQL community server is completely installed on your Linux machine. Guys, I hope this video will help you. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for get more updates. Thank you.